have to say I like how this plane came out with the Indiana Jones set, as well as the car. But I just have one complaint, and it's right there. That sticker was really annoying. This cockpit could have been printed, which that would have made it a much better set to put together, but it is what it is. It was a cheap set, and Lego decided not to make a printed cockpit, which was disappointing, but this it came out fine. Not perfect, but applicable. I'd have to say I like the flying plane over the city. And the car looks good going on the covered bridge. Let's do a little bit of a minifigure comparison of old Indiana Jones versus new. I'd have to say I like the detail on the old one. It's not the right head. This was secondhand, but I think this one's more. This is one of the Egyptian ones, so it's not a perfect match. I'd have to say this one wins in terms of the amount of detail, even though it does not have back burning. That's a bonus on this. They're both solid minifigures, and rate them both very highly. I only have Indiana Jones's legs from the old minifigure, so I can't do a comparison on that. So, there you have it.